what would you tell other Soka students that are interested in improving their public speaking skills on how to join our club?
Yes, first, just come on to us, and then join us for one meeting. You'll be just amazed, and you will want to come back. That's easy. But to be more accurate, I think I would say this is really a place where you can develop your public speaking and leadership skills and also have experiences, because you can add this experience to your resume as well, so that people will know, oh, this person is really interested in and passionate to develop themselves. That way, it will help you to get the job opportunities even better, I think. So first, just come to this meeting, then you enjoy it, and then I'm pretty sure you want to join us.
Thank you so much for giving us your experience in Soka University UniMasters Club. Thank you.
Thank you.